Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Prince Joseph, and today we're going to be making shredded beef and pita bread. This is the beef. Let's get on with it. I'm just going to sprinkle some oil on it while I mix it up with my hands, and then now the seasoned salt. When you're seasoning your meat or when you're making your food, depending on whatever you're making, don't be afraid to taste your food, before it's ready. Because when you do that, you know whether the food is, or the meal is going to be good or not. So you don't bring it to the table and then you start adding additional salt and sauces to it. And then I like my my food with a little bit of kick. So I would introduce some chili flakes, but that's going to be optional. It's optional for those who may or may not like it. So that'll be your own decision to add it or not. So it's not a must. It's just something that I like to do. And you keep on turning the meat. So finally, what we're going to add is the dill weed that we're going to add a touch of, to the meat. That's the herb that we're using today. Very nice. Very nice. You don't have to over season it. You just have to make sure that it tastes the way that you want it to. Thinly sliced beef takes seasoning faster. It takes the seasoning faster than the chunky beef. So be careful, with your seasoning. I'm going to do next is prepare a little salad, and our salad is also going to be very simple. It just consists of three vegetables, or a fruit and vegetable, tomato, lettuce, and onions, and basically that's it. Instead of tearing it up, I like to cut it in thin slices so it fits well in the sandwich. Fits well and it's easier to manage. It's cut and transfer it into a little bowl. And then the next thing is and then I slice it. Slice in thin bits. And then let's add it to our lettuce. Slice quite a good amount, because I'll use some of the onions in in making the shredded beef. Anyway, I ended up slicing the whole thing. Add a little to our salad. Transfer the rest of the onion into this bowl. So I can mix. Give this a little toss. A little more toss. For two. So okay. Yeah, this looks all right. Use it as garnishing, for the meat in a bowl. Yeah, to sit, and then I'll use it. And it's time. We're ready to fry the meat. What we're going to do is we're going to quickly saute some of our onions and we'll be done. Whoa. That was add a bit more oil. Sauce it so it doesn't burn. Sauce it so it doesn't burn. Alright, so now we're gonna add our steak to this, our shredded beef to these delicious onions. Now our shredded beef is ready. It's ready. Just throw in a bit of butter. Melt the butter. throw in a pita bread. Toss it again. Now this is our lovely, 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 lovely beef and onion and our pita bread. The lovely beef and onions. This is how it looks. And our pita bread.